everyone, welcome to Cookies and Confectionery. Today we'll be teaching you how to make waffles. I'm sure you guys love waffles just like me. So we want to begin with our dry ingredients. So in this bowl we already have 2 cups of flour, which is measured at 300 grams. And into our 2 cups of flour, we want to add our sugar. Alright, so into this bowl we have our flour, our sugar. We're adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder, so that mix this together and set this aside. So the next thing we want to do now is to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. I'm just going to take this away. So we want to separate our egg yolks from our egg white, and we're using 2 eggs. So be careful so that you don't put the shells into that. You pour the egg yolk there. So it should have been the reverse. So let's carry on with this. So what we want to do is to frost our egg white. So here we have our egg yolk, and into our egg yolk we'll add our milk. Our milk is 1½ cup. We add that into it, and we also add our milk. So while waiting for melted butter, we're going to frost our egg. No, ma. We want to frost this until it becomes a stiff peak. I hope you can see that. It becomes a stiff peak. When we mean stiff peak, we mean when you lift it up, it's no longer dripping. So we keep doing that until we achieve that. So how do you know you have achieved a stiff peak? We can still see that it's moving, so we want to keep whipping until it's stiff on the bowl. So we can see that's our stiff peak. Alright, so I'm just going to push this aside. So here we have our egg white that's gotten to a stiff peak. Here we have our milk and our egg yolk. Here we have our flour, baking powder, and sugar. So hello everyone, back to our class. So we're doing waffles today. So into this bowl we have 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder, that's quarter cup sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. So we have that mixed here. Into this other bowl we have 1.5 cup of liquid milk, we have 2 egg yolks, and then we're going to add half cup of melted butter. This is equivalent to 80 grams of butter. And into our last bowl we have our egg whites that has been frosted. So the first thing we want to do is to whisk our egg, milk and melted butter together. Alright, so having done that, we want to mix it into our flour mix. Pour the liquid into your dry mix. So we just give that a good stir, and you can as well do that with your mixer, which I'm going to do right now, because we want to mix it very well so that all ingredients can incorporate properly. So we mix our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. Okay, so once we're done with that, we set our mixer aside. Now clean your bowl. At this point, we'll fold in our egg whites. So can we see this? We're putting in our egg white. So there we have our waffle mix. So with this done, we're going to put on our waffle toaster. Allow it to get hot before you place your waffle in it. Alright, So our waffle toaster is on. We want to apply a bit of oil on the surface there, like that. So just allow it to get hot, and once it's hot, we place our waffle batter into it. Okay, so we want to place our waffle batter. And we'll just wait for some few minutes. Alright, so let's check for our waffles if it's ready. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Wow. Wow, can we see this? Wow. Check this out. So we set this aside. Now let's garnish our waffles. We put in some whipped cream on the top and some whipped cream by the side. Before the cherry, let's go with some caramel sauce. Yeah, I love caramel. Woo! And then let's give some design here. How lovely. The cherry on top. And 2 strawberries. Wow, I hope you can see the cherry melting. Wow, I can't wait to delve into it. Oh my, wow, wow. That's so yummy. Wow, you must try this at home. This is the best waffles I have ever tasted. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching.